So in a previous video, we reviewed how to multiply multi-digit numbers by single-digit numbers. So today we're going to try to multiply multi-digit numbers by another multi-digit number. So for each of these, I broke them up, and this one had hundreds, tens, and ones. This one had tens and ones. So to break up 463, I had noticed that there were going to be 4 hundreds, which is 400, 6 tens, which would be 60, and 3 ones, which is just 3. Now, I broke up 33 into 3 tens, which is 30, and 3 ones, which is 3. So to figure out what my answer is going to be, we are going to have to multiply all of these together. So 30 by 400, 30 by 60, 30 by 3, 3 by 400, 3 by 60, and 3 by 3. And then what we'll have to do is we'll have to add them all together. So be careful this time. We're going to try to line them up so we don't have to rewrite our answers up and down to add. So if I look at 30 times 400, I know that 3 times 4 is going to be 12. I can even draw a picture. Again, I'm going to try to do 3 rows of 4. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I see I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. But I'm not done yet, because if I have 100 multiplied by a 10, I'm not going to have just a 2-digit number. So I have to look at how many zeros I'm going to add. Now I see 1, 2, 3 zeros to add, so I'm going to add 1, 2, 3 zeros. And you can add in your comma here if that helps you out. Not everybody does it. Now we are going to look at 30 times 60. I know 3 times 6 is 18. And I'm going to have 2 zeros. So to line it up, I'm going to put in my zeros first. 2 zeros, and then I'm going to put my 18. Again, you can put your comma in here if that helps you. Now I'm going to look at 30 times 3. I know 3 times 3 is 9, and I'm going to have 1 0, so that's going to make it 90. But I'm not quite done yet because I have 3 more multiplication problems to do. Again, I know 3 times 4 is 12, but this time I only have to add 2 zeros to get my 3 times 400. So I'm going to add those 2 zeros, and then I'm going to put my 12 in. So 3 times 400 is 1,200. If I look at 3 times 60, we already figured out that 3 times 6 is 18, and I only have to add 1 zero. So we're going to make this 180. Now I just have to do 3 times 3, and we know that that's 9. And no zeros to add this time. Now we need to add it all up. So I'm going to look in this far right row first. You have to start in this row when adding. So if we make this just a giant addition problem, then we'll figure out what 463 times 33 is. So I know that 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 9 is just going to be 9. We're not adding anything to it. Now I have 8 plus 0 plus 9 plus 0 plus 0. So I'm going to count up from 9. I'm going to count up 8. So 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Ooh, we've got a trick here. If we put down my 7, I can't put my 1 right here. It would make my problem wrong. I have to bring my 1 all the way up to the top. I have to carry my 1. So now I'm adding 8 plus 1. I know that's 9. Then I take 9 plus 2, 9, 10, 11. Then 11 plus 1 is going to be 12. Again, I can't put my 1 down here for my 12. I have to carry it all the way up here. So now I have 1 plus 2. I know that's 3. Plus another 1 is 4. Plus another 1 is 5. We have no carrying to do that time. And last but not least, I have 1 plus nothing, which is 1. So we had to make sure that we lined these up correctly so that we don't have like our 90 way over here and then nothing at the end. So we found out that 463 times 33 is 15,279. We had to do a lot of work to get there, but we did it. Nice work.